Welcome back again, guys. Today I am working on a 2011 Jeep Compass. Customer came in, the vehicle would not start. It does crank, so as you can see, the vehicle does not start, so I think I'm gonna go and check spark first, see if I have any spark. Just have my test light hooked up to battery negative. I'm gonna watch spark. Yep. As you guys were able to see, I didn't have any sparks. Now I'm checking power to my coil. I don't have any power on my dark blue wire. See, I didn't have power to my ignition coil. I'm gonna check the fuse that powers that coil. It is fuse number 23. I have no power on this fuse. Let's see what powers up that fuse next. My ASD relay is what controls power to that fuse. ASD relay gets power from fuse 33. I can find it. 33 is right here. That's good. And also fuse 18, which is right here. Pop this little cover off. Alright, both sides of my fuse are good for that also. Next I'm going to check my ground. My ASD relay grounds at the engine computer. When you crank it, it should ground the ASD relay. After checking my fuses and my ground control of my computer, I decided to go down to the ASD relay or main relay, depending on what you want to call it. And this is what I found. Also found the relay had a terminal completely corroded away. So, alright. Chrysler's saying you need that whole harness. I'm going to see if maybe I could just get terminals and relays. I'm going to leave that up to the customer. I might film it, might not. Not sure. Just want to thank you all for all the support you guys have given me. This isn't easy for me at all. I'm not someone who can talk in front of a camera, so I do appreciate all the support you guys have given me. So you guys can like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and for everyone who has supported me, I appreciate it. So until next time, I'm signing off.